Hey there, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this very cute whimsical fall themed mixed media tag. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Maggie. I am the owner, designer, and artist at Whimsy and Wonder Creative Co., where I sell lots of junk journal printables, collage printables, stickers, journal supplies, and all kinds of fun stuff, so make sure to check me out. If you are returning, welcome back, and let's dig in. Okay, so I'm going to be using this free printable that I have in my shop, and it's got some fussy cuts. It's got several cards in it. It's got 8 cards, so I've got a sheet of portrait and a sheet of landscape orientation cards, and then it's got 4 scrapbook papers. Of course, I had to put some gingham in there because I love gingham and polka dots. And a few collage sheets / journal pages, like whatever you feel like you want to do with those. And I ended up with an extra sheet apparently when I was printing, so we'll hang on to that. All right, so let's get started. All right, I'm gonna work off of a box here. And I was gonna throw away. I was like, that's a really good shape. I like the length, and it's got a nice soft inside, so for you know, writing on or gluing to, it's a really good surface. So I'll start by cutting it. it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to download your free printable, and I will see you next time. Bye!